Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Greetings, alishanmao here. Let's fly the GooSky S1 in 3D printed llama fuselage. It's getting dark, but I hope GoPro can see this beautiful, stable 3D printed llama fuselage S1. You know what? I was flying the RC Era MD500 and I was talking about the banking angle. Look at that. In 6G mode, the banking angle S1 has, if RC Era C189 MD500 had that banking angle, it could have been even better. That helicopter is really nice, but still, that's very, very beginner oriented. But S1, not just beginner oriented. This GooSky S1, not just beginners oriented, but also for, you know, advanced pilots. They can even do 3D. Have you seen a llama doing this? Yeah, well, that's when the bumblebee gets in. So yes, GooSky S1 is not just beginner friendly. Wow, that's a lot of speed in, you know, 6G mode, but also advanced and intermediate and professional pilots friendly. It's getting dark, man. It's getting very, very dark. So I don't want to crash this beauty because I still want to fly it in a new country and a new place once we say goodbye to China for good this time. So I don't want to crash it. I want to carry this beauty with me and fly it as soon as we arrive there, inshallah, to let you see where we are and how good, inshallah, that place is gonna be. Thank you very much for watching this video, people. Stay tuned for more updates, and if you want to know where we are going, well, I'm not gonna tell you. We're gonna leave China very soon, in 15 days. Let us know in video comments, how do you like this helicopter and where we are actually going next.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right.